welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Missy. Today I was going to get ready to make us some more dehydrated foods for our upcoming hiking trips. So I thought, why not show you guys some more things that we do for our trips. Today we're going to do mixed vegetables. I just use the ones in the can, but we're going to show you how we do it. Okay, so I've got my dehydrator here. I've already opened up my vegetables. I poured them in a strainer, just a regular colander. These have been sitting for probably 20 minutes just to get off some excess water. That way it makes it a little bit easier to dehydrate. Now, we just kind of use whatever we have here. I happen to have the mixed vegetables here, but you can actually, you know, if you don't like carrots, you can get whatever, the individual cans of vegetables that you want and that you like. We just happen to have the mixed vegetables here. Now, I will tell you that the potatoes take a little bit longer to dehydrate or to rehydrate whenever you get ready to use them. So you might not want to put potatoes in it. It also probably will take a little bit longer on the dehydrator. But for your potatoes, you can always use mashed potato flakes or whatever. You know, it's according to what you like yourself. So, this gives you an opportunity to get some extra minerals and stuff on the trail and vitamins. So, we like to be able to have some veggies along with the rest of our stuff because, let's face it, we all eat a lot of noodles on the trail, a lot of mashed potatoes, but this gives us an opportunity to add some vegetables that we wouldn't otherwise get. So, all you're going to do is let them strain a little bit. Make sure you get off as much of the water as you can. Then you're just going to kind of put them across the trays kind of thinly. Try not to, you know, have them touch too much. That way they'll dehydrate really well. I don't like the looks of that potato. I'll throw him away. And it's up to you. We like to put a little bit of seasoning salt on ours. And that just gives it a little bit of extra flavor whenever we rehydrate them. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of regular Lowry seasoning salt. But you can use whatever you want, you know. If you want the vegetable seasoning, you can put vegetable seasoning on it, regular salt on it, whatever, you know, whatever you like. Put that tray over there. I'm just going to keep layering these trays out. Now, we did 3 cans of mixed vegetables. So, basically, we're getting about 1 can per tray. Put that on there. Just so you know kind of how many to open up. But you can use frozen or whatever. Dropped a couple there. Those are still draining a little bit. And these you can add to like your ramen bombs or whatever, you know. You can add them to just mashed potatoes. You can add them to whatever it is you want to add to where you are. Whatever it is you're making on the trail that you want vegetables in. And whenever we take this off, I'll make sure I pick the paper up and I just go ahead and put it in the bag that way. That way I get all that extra seasoning on it at the same time. Oh, I missed that one. If you like pepper, you can put pepper on it. I mean, just whatever, you know. And there's no particular vegetable that you need, just whatever you like. Alright, we are going to get these plugged in, and we will come back in a few hours and show you the finished product. Alright, so they're done. As you can see, they got really small. You want them to make sure that they're all the way dry. The reduction is crazy. Look how small they are. I'm going to start bagging these up and get these going here. Look at that. That's a whole can of vegetables there. There we go. Okay, so we got them all bagged up. Made 2 bags. Now it took about 7 hours for this to get done. It probably would have took a little bit less time if we didn't have potatoes in there. You can throw these in anything, you know, whatever you decide that you want to. You can throw them in with your ramen bombs. You can throw them in with whatever. And it'll give you a little bit of extra minerals and vitamins whenever you're out there. So, yummy vegetables on the trail. Can't beat that. But the weight is like almost nothing. So, just remember, it takes a little bit extra time to rehydrate. Put them in whatever you want. Dehydrate them until they definitely are all the way dry, though, because you don't want them to have any moisture in them. Until next time, we'll see you.